Hey you guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how to loop a video on an iPhone. There are two different ways to do this on an iPhone. The first way is to simply play a video on loop, and the other way would be to create a looping video using live photos. The first way I'm going to show you is how to play a video on loop. And to do this, you're just going to go into your camera roll and find the video that you'd like to loop. What you're going to do is press select at the top here and select the video you'd like. Then you're going to hit the share button in the bottom left. And what we want to do is add to an album. So we want to add it to its own album, that way we can edit it in there. So we'll select new album here, and we can title it whatever we'd like. Once we've titled it, we'll just select save. And then we're going to go into our albums at the very bottom here, and we'll select that My Loop here. The reason we want to separate this video and put it into its own album is because if we didn't, and we put the settings on that we're about to, it would essentially loop all of my videos together. But by isolating this particular video, it's only going to loop that one in this album. So once we're here, we're gonna select this video once again. I'm gonna select the three dots in the top right corner. And then what we wanna select is Slideshow. Then we want to go into options in the bottom right corner here. So if the theme wasn't on origami, we'd want to change it to that. There's automatically going to be some music on this video, but we can just go in there and simply select none. Then the last thing we want to do, the most important step, is toggle on that repeat button here. That way your video is now on a loop. And then when we're done, we're just going to select done, and we can just press play. And this video is going to loop for us repeatedly. The next way I'm going to show you how to do this is through live photos. If you've never taken a live photo before, this is how you would do it. So you're going to open up your camera, and we're going to select this icon in the top right corner, and just turn that live photo on. I can also go in and search for my live photos here, saying I have 7. Once you have that live photo selected and open, what you're going to do is select the live option at the top here, and there's going to bring down a drop down menu. And then we're simply just going to select loop, and now this live photo or video is going to play on loop for us. If ever I wanted to turn this off, I can just select that downwards arrow again and select live again. It'll go back to its photo form, and the only way it'll play is if I press and hold on this photo. Alrighty, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you found all of this information helpful. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next one.